Hello everyone, David Lee here, back with another video, and this time I wanted to showcase some of the STEM activities we did in the beginning of the year to familiarize our students with the design thinking process. I really hope you enjoy it. Our kindergartners were given the challenge of designing a playground for our hamster, Mr. Monster. They first brainstormed ideas for what the playground would have, empathizing with the needs of Mr. Monster. They then started to create their playground equipment in the prototype stage, with toothpicks, clay, marshmallows, and pipe cleaners, and used toy monkeys to test the equipment, and then ultimately had Monster try them out. The first graders were given the challenge of designing a baby mobile for my nephew. The students empathized with his needs and gained an understanding of the physics concept center of mass. They tested out their mobiles on a stand and were continuously provided with feedback from teachers and peers. Our third graders were given the challenge of designing pom-pom launchers. Rapid prototyping to learn quicker and make improvements to their designs frequently. Their goal was to launch their pom-poms as far as possible. At the end, students used their launchers to create art with Marcia Bycraft. The fourth graders were given the challenge of designing balloon-powered vehicles. Their goal was to have their vehicles go as far as possible. Students plus their classmates' ideas, adding and improving upon the ideas. They then created their vehicles in the prototype stage, ultimately testing out their prototypes in the hallway to see how far their vehicles go. Our fifth graders watched the NASA JPL video, 7 Minutes of Terror, that describes the Curiosity rover's difficult landing on Mars. Using this video as the hook, we gave the fifth graders the challenge of landing a model vehicle made out of Legos to safely land from the top floor of the school. During the ideate stage, they brainstormed ideas and received feedback from their peers. They then created their prototypes. They ultimately threw their prototypes off the 4th floor during the test stage. Hope you enjoyed this video. I would like to give a special thanks to the following teachers for making these activities happen. Please like the video and subscribe to the channel.